In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add managers to ClickFunnels. Whether you're looking to expand your team or delegate some of the tasks, adding managers to ClickFunnels can streamline your workflow significantly. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can easily and effectively manage your team. First, you'll want to log into your ClickFunnels account. Once you're in, navigate to the Workspaces section. This area is the hub for all your team management activities. From here, you'll see a list of all available workspaces. Select the appropriate one. In this case, we're using the Test Demos Team workspace for demonstration purposes. Simply click on it to proceed. Once you're inside the workspace, it's time to access the team management features. Look for the Team Settings option and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can manage different aspects of your team configuration. On the Team Settings page, you'll find a tab labeled Team Members. Go ahead and click on this tab. Here, you'll see a list of all current team members associated with the workspace. To add a new manager, you will need to invite them to join your team. Now, locate and click on the Invite a New Team Member button. This action will trigger a form where you'll enter the email address of the team member you wish to invite. Make sure to input the correct email since this is where their invitation will be sent. After entering the email, you'll come across several permission settings. This is where you can assign the new team member as a manager. Click on the relevant highlights or settings to designate them appropriately. You'll want to ensure you're giving them the correct level of access pertinent to their responsibilities. Review all the details and settings one more time before sending the invitation. Once you're satisfied with the information and permissions you've configured, click on the Send Invitation button. The person you've invited will receive an email notification. They must accept this invitation to join the team. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new manager to your ClickFunnels workspace. This process simplifies team management, allowing you to collaborate more efficiently and focus on what truly matters, growing and optimizing your sales funnels. Remember, having managers in ClickFunnels not only distributes the workload, but also enhances productivity, as team members can focus on their specific roles while aligning with overall business goals. Feel free to revisit any steps from this video if necessary, and don't hesitate to explore other team management features that ClickFunnels offers. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on mastering ClickFunnels.